What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Sorry I've been missing for a few weeks. Back out here at the auction. I've been rushed at the auction for the past couple of weeks and haven't been able to film any cars. It's been like, oh, get there fast and just drive this, and this and get out of there. But I could not show you this one. I mean, guys, this is a 99 ES 300. And when I say mint, I mean garage kept mint. That steering wheel does not even have a scratch on it. It feels like brand new. These buttons, look at these buttons. The seats, they're just amazing. Let's crank it up. Oh gosh, silent. Only 128,000 miles. Hadn't ran a Carfax on it yet, but I will not be surprised to see that this is a cold air conditioning, one owner car. Man, that AC's cold. I mean, look how this thing's presented with the seat belts buckled. Back seat, never been sat in. I mean, headliner. This thing is, I can't even afford to buy this car tomorrow if I wanted to. It's going to bring so much money. People love these old ES 300s, like the, say 1997 to 2001. That body style, people love them, man. And if you find a nice one, which they do pop up here from time to time, one will pop up that's a trade-in at the, one of the Lexus dealerships, which is exactly what this one is. It's a trade-in at a Lexus dealership south of Atlanta. And it's just flawless. This thing is flawless. The exterior's white, and we'll do a walk around. It's starting to get dark. It's 5:30. It's time for bed. Oh God, but this thing is just brilliant. Got good throttle response. Transmission feels good. Brakes feel good. I mean, no funny noises. No squeaks or rattles. Yeah, this thing is super nice. But if you pay $5,000 or $6,000 for it, who the hell are you going to sell it to? I don't understand. I mean, who would buy it? And how much do you sell it for? Because, I've seen some of these sell for in the 4s to close to 5, and I have not seen one as nice as this one, period, in foreverdom. This thing is just immaculate. I mean, just immaculate. It's got I looked under the hood. It's had a lot of recent service work. I could see new belts. I could see new motor mounts. What else? What else? It had been detailed, so it looked real good. Here, we'll get out and do a little walk around. This son of a gun's nice, y'all. Let's pop the hood. Look at that. I love the pillarless doors. Isn't that cool? It's got good looking tires on it. Don't know what those are, but they look good. You can see, look at here where the mechanic, that's the only bum spot on the paint where the mechanic has leaned on it to do some work. It runs super quiet. Oh, new battery, November. Well, no, it's a year old. I got my years mixed up. But we got new motor mount down there. New drive belts. The fluids look great. Good looking coolant. That looks fresh. Even the shock top of the shock towers, they look newish. I mean, Toyota radiator been replaced at some point. Yeah, this is a beauty. Golly. Yeah, here's where it was traded in. Butler, Lexus of South Atlanta. I mean, they could have stuck this on their used car lot for $69.95 and sold it in a heartbeat. I bet they didn't give somebody $1,000 trade-in credit for it. Maybe $1,500. And it is just mint. Just mint. No books. That sucks. Oh, cup holder. But yeah, this thing is a beautiful car. I've seen a lot of people out here checking it out today. Anyway, tell me what y'all think. Man, it smells good too. It's got that, you know, late 90s Toyota leather, Lexus leather smell. Smells so good. It smells just like my 1991 Lexus ES 250. If you don't know one of those, look them up. Rare birds. But God, it smells just like it. Must be the same material leather they used. It smells so good. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.